Just for men touch of gray, gray hair coloring for men's with comb applicator, great for a salt and pepper look, light brown, T25 pack of 3, packaging may vary. New look, same great results. Just for men touch of gray men's hair color, light brown, is hair coloring that gets rid of some but not all gray hairs for the perfect salt and pepper look. Get the perfect salt-pepper look. Unlike other dyes, touch of gray subtly blends away some gray, but not all. One application reduces gray a litte. Easy no-mix formula comes with a comb and applicator gentle on gray hair because it's air-activated hair color, no ammonia or peroxide. Works in just 5 minutes. Color will not wash out. Lasts up to 8 weeks until the gray grows back. For guys who have more gray hair than they like, just for men touch of gray gets rid of some gray hairs, but not all, for that perfect salt and pepper look. This easy-to-apply hair color only takes 5 minutes to reduce gray hair, and lasts until the gray hair grows back. Its ammonia-free formula causes no damage to your hair. Can't decide between 2 shades? Try the lighter one first. You can always go darker later. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. This works and looks natural. I tried this product and use it often. It took years off my looks. Plus looks totally natural. Highly recommend.